This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, we're gonna make chocolate Bundt cake. This recipe, guys, is so easy. You don't even need a mixer. So let's get right into it. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. You will need all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, sugar, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, mayonnaise, and some water. So let's get started. First things first, we're gonna work on our wet ingredients. Into my water, I'm gonna add mayonnaise. Using a whisk, I'm gonna mix everything together until well combined. Next, we're gonna add vanilla extract. Mix it in, then set it aside. Next, we're gonna sift all our dry ingredients. In goes all-purpose flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. We're gonna sift all this together like so, guys. I'm gonna give it a good mix to combine everything together. Okay, now add wet ingredients to the flour mixture. Using a whisk, I'm gonna combine everything until well incorporated. Let me say I'm gonna mix this for 2 minutes. You guys, it's smooth, no lumps. Okay, we're done. Pour the batter into a greased Bundt pan. Use the spatula to smooth the top. I have my oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna bake this for 35 minutes. While our cake is baking, we're gonna move on and make chocolate ganache. For the chocolate ganache, you will need 2% milk, bittersweet chocolate, and unsalted butter. Place milk and butter into a small saucepan. Cook 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until butter is melted. Once the butter has melted completely, allow mixture to cook another couple of minutes. Once you see tiny bubbles around the edge of the saucepan, turn off the heat. Do not allow the milk to boil or it will burn. Pour the hot milk into the bowl of chocolate and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Then stir until the chocolate has completely melted and the mixture is glossy and smooth. Allow it to set at room temperature for 45 minutes or pop in the fridge for 20 minutes. Our cake is done. We're gonna test for doneness. Insert a toothpick in the middle of the cake. Try a couple spots, and when it comes out clean, guys, that means our cake is ready. It's done. We're gonna let our cake sit for 15 minutes, then invert it in the cooling rack to cool completely. The cake has cooled completely. Drizzle the chocolate ganache over the top of the cake. One thing I like about this chocolate Bundt cake, guys, is so easy to make. It's not fuzzy or difficult. It's rich in flavor, super moist, and so delicious. This recipe, guys, is a keeper. There you have it, guys. Chocolate banded cake. Please subscribe, share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.